Hello everyone, my name is Seju Stochukwu, and today I welcome you people to um, the first class. This is an introductory class. Okay, so when you open your pixellab, this is how it looks. It's blank, there's nothing there. So you are going to create your whatever you want to create from the scratch. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make use of different tools here, how to navigate yourself through this app. All right, so um look at this place. It's called the layer panel. That's what when you click there, you see everything you are working on will appear here. So it's called your layer here. All right, this place now you're seeing, inside this place you're seeing, is known as the canvas. Okay, so everything you are working on is going to be on your canvas, so we'll call it canvas. All right, so this one is called grid line. You use it to align elements. All right, so because if you are creating a design, you need to apply the principles, and one of the principles of design is what? Alignment. You should align your elements, not scattered. All right, so we'll make use of this grid line to align whatever we are designing. All right, so this one is your zoom. Okay, if you want to be sure of what you are doing, you can click here and zoom out. Okay, all right, let me show you now. You can see, you zoom to make sure you are seeing whatever you are doing clearly. Okay, all right, so this one is what you use to go back. If you made a mistake, you want to go back, you click there. That's undo. Okay, all right, so this one is what you use to delete elements. Sorry, this sorry, not that. This one is delete. Okay, and this one you are seeing here is for, if you click there, you can use this to copy. You can see there are so many things here. This one is used to copy elements. This one is for rotate. Want to rotate. This one is for color. This one is for relative position, positioning it at the center. This one is your text tool. This one is for editing. Okay, so I'm going to look at this now. You see, I'll type my text, whatever I want to write here. I can write hello. So I've edited the text there. All right. Okay, so let me click here again so that you see. Okay, look at this one. Okay, so that's the different thing we'll be making use of. So look at this one now. Here is your text tool. So anytime you want to write anything, you click there. Once you click here, you see so many other things are popping up. Okay, these things you are seeing here, these are what you are going to use to edit your text. Okay, so you can see I can click here. If I click this delete, I've deleted this text, this hello. If I click edit, that's I want to rewrite it. All right, so if I click copy here, I've copied it. Okay, now you have to touch it so that you can edit. Sorry, this one is to front to back. That's when you have other elements here. If you want this one to go behind it, but I'll show you when I import other things. Okay, this one is position. If you want to use this to move it, all right, so you can see. Okay, this one is your relative position. We use this to centerize whatever we are working on to make sure that it is at the center. Okay, so this one is size. You can use it to increase the size. Okay, remember you must be at this text tool for you to be able to edit any text. All right, so this one is padding. Okay, that's the one. If you want to you can see the effect is creating here. All right, this one is color. You want to change the color of the text, you can see any color here. All right, so this one is texture. You understand this properly when we start making start designing other things. So if I want to use a color of an object, not actually color, but I want my text to carry the let's assume the shape, or not necessary color, maybe just a bag, anything at all. You want your text to carry that effect. Okay, you use texture and put it there. Okay, so this one is opacity. So if you want to reduce the you can see if I'm reducing, I can't see it again. So we make use of all these. This one is rotate, you can see. Okay, this one is mask. You can use this to cut some things. So when we start designing, you are going to understand properly other things when we make use of it. I'll go back. So this one is font, where you will change your font. Okay, like your own now, you are going to have a default font, so you won't have this one here, but I will show you how to download fonts. And so these ones are premium fonts, so it doesn't come with your own pixellab. All right. Okay, so you can come here and choose any fonts you want to use. Okay, you can see I've changed this one. Okay, this one is style. You can make your text bold. You can underline it here. You can slant. This place is to undo whatever you have applied here, just like I did now. Okay. This one is curve. If you want to curve your text, okay, that is it. So this one is background. If you want to apply background to this text, you can see you check. This is where you select the color of the background text you are using. All right, so this one is alignment. If you want to align your text to, let's assume I have it like this, you can click something like this. You can see this one align to the left, this one to the this one is to the left, this one is to the right, this one is center alignment. Okay. And so this one is spacing. You can either space letter, you can see, or you space words. That's if I have other words, I can space it, because I have only one word here. So this one is line spacing. That's if I have like if to say I have all that inside root, I want to space it. You can see the effect. So I'll space it there. Where is it? Sorry, I want to undo. Sorry. So I'll come to this place. This one is stroke. If I want to apply stroke there, just increase. This is where you change the color of your stroke or whatever you want to use. Okay, so this one is shadow. I want to apply shadow there. You can change the color of the shadow you want to apply, anything. This is the blur radius and so many other things you can work on here. Okay, inner shadow and so many. There are many because of our time, so that the video won't be long, so that you'll be able to download it with small MB. Okay, this is perspective. We use this to manipulate the text. Okay, you see what I have achieved with this. All right, so 3D, if you want to make it to be like this, you can see the effect is creating. So shadow, reflection and all that. This one is reflection. You see what I have. Okay, so that's for text. But once we import image, I've touched my canvas, I've gone back. So if I come to this hexagon shape, this one is what you are using to edit an object. Like this shape, this is where you create your shape. You can click here and you see other shapes. Okay, you can choose this, anything. You can choose circle. So this is where, so that's where you make your shape and all that. This is stroke. If you want to apply stroke to your shape. Okay, so color, you can change the color of the stroke. This one is color of the fill. Okay, you can change if anything you can do here. So okay, let me create again. So let's assume I have this. You can see some here. If I come to this test tool, I won't be able to edit this again. So I must come to this hexagon shape before I can edit shape, because the hexagon shape here is meant for editing shape. So that's when you have these tools. Okay, it's just like what I showed you earlier. Okay, copy, crop and all that. Okay, but this one is what you use to edit shape now, not text. All right. Okay, so let me delete this. So when you come to this one is exclusively for background. So anything you're going to work here is for the canvas. Okay, so if I click this color, any color I select here becomes the color of my canvas. Okay, so I'll go back. This one is transparent. That's when you don't want anything to occur there. So this is what I have. So I mean to appear there. So this is image size and crop. So anything you are doing here is basically for your background. So this one is what you use to maybe brightness of the canvas, you can see, and so many other things. Okay, so let me show us this. If you want to import image, you come here, because we're talking about image now. You come to this place. Okay, you click import. All right, so you click here. Once you click import, okay, you can see my works. These are what I've done so far. Okay, There are numerous. So you come here, you go to your gallery. Okay. Let's assume I want to import. Let's say okay, for instance, like see this woman now. This is the picture they sent to me to make this. You see, to create this. So let's assume I want to import this. Okay. See what I have now. Okay. So is image. So you come here. So see where you edit. Okay, you see how I imported. Okay, that's what I let me import again. You click import. Okay, let me now show you what I used it to design. So these are the things you people will be learning when you're ready for this. Okay, you can see how I changed the whole thing. So this was what they sent to me to create this. You can see the image is blur and the clothes, everything. I just changed everything. This woman burial is okay 17th. Okay, you see, so yeah, I told the person, I think he must have printed it now because I showed him what to do. All right, you can see what you can actually do. All right, so that's how to import. Okay, so let's assume when you are done designing anything you want to design, you now come up here. Okay, let me show you again. See our layer panel now. You can see everything I have imported. You see everything aligned here now. Okay, so if I want this one to come to back, I can drag it now. You can see it's now at the back of this. You can see it's now at the back. All right, or you can just simply come here and click to back. If I want it to come to front, I click to front. Do you get that? To back. Okay, you can see this hello now is in between. I can take it to front and it's of course. So that's how to just work with the layer. Okay, all right, let's assume you are done with your whole design and you want to now save. You come here, you come to this place, so you click. You can save as project. As project means that it's going to be in this your pixellab, so that if the client says I want you to change this for me, you can easily come here and change whatever they say you should change. Okay, yeah, because if you don't save as project and clients says I want you to change this, it means that you are going to start all over again and you don't want to do that. So it's frustrating. So you always save as projects once you are done. Once you have saved your project, you rename. You see, you name it. Let's just anything I want to name it. I just click OK. All right, and I'll now so anytime you want to work on it, you just come here, click here, then you see my project, click here. So these are different things I've done. Anyone I want to work on now, you can see there are many. All right, these are my different projects. Okay, so anyone I click on now, see the class flyer I did. You can see it here now. So everything, if I want to continue with it now, just click on it and I'll continue from there. So if you want to save as image, you click here, save as image, and you click here, you select your ultra dimension, then you click save to gallery and it will be saved. Okay, but I don't want to save this because I don't design anything here. All right, so that's all. That's just what you need to know about this whole software. All right, so just try something, go through it, and you're gonna master it. All right, thank you for listening.